Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This beautiful door sign I made for my front door, and if you want to see how I made it, please stay tuned. And before we start, I just wanted to mention that this video is in collaboration with one sweet mama here on YouTube. She's my friend. Her name is Anna, and she makes lifestyle cleaning motivation videos, motherhood DIYs, and a lot of other things. After watching my video, please go ahead and check out her channel. Say something nice in her comment. Tell her you're coming from my channel and just say hi to her and enjoy her content. Okay, let's get started. For my project, I bought these two door signs from Dollar Tree, and I also bought this heart-shaped decorative piece from Dollar Tree as well. Since I decided to use the back side of these signs, I removed the tags and also the twine handles as well. Next, I decided to poke two extra holes, and you will see later what for. Next thing I did is I painted it white. I had a white chalk paint. Next, I used this decorative heart as a stencil on my project, and I dabbed Mod Podge on the design. Next thing, I added glitter on top of Mod Podge. Let it sit for a few seconds, and then I shake it all off. Using my stencil again, I outlined the heart with a Sharpie. And you will see I did not have actual plan what I wanted to do. I was just looking at the picture and deciding right there what I wanted to do. That's why I was going back and forth doing things a couple of times. So as you can see over here, I am adding Mod Podge, outlining this heart that I just drew, and I'm gonna be adding glitter on top of that again. As you can imagine, there was so much glitter all over my work area, on the floor and everywhere, but it felt so good. I loved it. I felt like I'm a little kid again, playing with the glitter. Also, I was going back and correcting all the spots that I didn't like the way they look, or maybe they were missing some glitter. Next thing, I was doing the bottom part of the sign, and I was adding some hearts to it. I call a love, I call a fire. I didn't really like the complete white background, so I decided I'm gonna use the pencil and I will just draw lines and smudge them with my finger to look more rustic and unfinished. I also made some lines across, more visible lines, so it looked like it was made out of boards. And now it was time to connect these two pieces with a ribbon, and I also added a ribbon on top of the sign, and that's gonna be used to hang it on a door. And now I thought I was done, but then it looked a little plain, so I decided to add word love on the bottom. Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. And I also added 2 more hearts on top as well. Now set your sails on high. And here it is. It's all done. I am so happy the way it turned out, and I think it looks great as a contrast on my dark doors. Just the way you are. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Did you like it? What would you change it? What would you do differently? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment, share, and also don't forget to visit Anna's channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!